Marhaba. In today's lesson, we will be discussing pronouns. Pronouns are broken down into two types: independent pronouns and possessive pronouns. Today, we will begin with the independent pronouns, and this will be broken down into three parts. Part 1. Arabic pronouns includes the person speaking and the person spoken to, and finally the person or things spoken about. Pronouns also can be classified according to conversations, first person, second person, and third person. Can be also classified according to gender, if it's masculine or feminine. And finally, it can be classified according to numbers, if it's singular, dual, or plural. Let's have a look at the words and the usage of pronouns. Let's see the word in English and how it's pronounced in Arabic and how it's written. The first pronoun, I or I am in English, is pronounced in Arabic as أنا, أنا, and it's written like this. Now, let's see an example of how it's structured in a sentence. The sentence is أنا أتعلم اللغة العربية. أنا أتعلم اللغة العربية, which means I am learning the Arabic language. Moving on to the second pronoun, which is you and you are for masculine singular, which is pronounced in Arabic as أنت, أنت, and it's written like this. Now, let's see an example for this pronoun. أنت وسيم, أنت وسيم, you are handsome. Finally, let's take the last pronoun for this lesson, you and you are for feminine singular, which is pronounced in Arabic as أنتِ, أنتِ, and it's written like this. Notice that أنت وأنتِ are written the same thing. The only difference is the ta letter at the end. For the feminine, there is kasra instead of fatha. The kasra indicates feminine. Here is an example for this pronoun. The sentence أنتِ جميلة, أنتِ جميلة, which means you are beautiful. This concludes part 1 of independent pronouns. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I will be sure to respond. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.